dismissing the constitutional damages claims against the individual ATF agents over that ATF raid that killed former airport director Bryan Malinowski.
Agents were serving a federal search warrant as part of an investigation into allegations that Malinowski was dealing firearms without a federal license. But the wrongful death case against the United States is moving forward.
Madison Gaffner spoke exclusively with attorney Bud Cummins about what today's ruling actually means. Madison.
Well, Donna, Kevin, today's order ends one part of this case, but it does not decide whether the ATF acted lawfully during the raid that took Bryan Malinowski's life. This case now moves forward against the United States under the Federal Tort Claims Act. On March 19, 2024, ATF agents arrived at the home of Little Rock Airport director Bryan Malinowski to serve a federal search warrant. Minutes later, gunfire was exchanged inside the home, leaving Malinowski dead.
They ineffectively knocked on the door, ineffectively announced who they were, not in a way that Mr. and Miss Malinowski would be expected to hear it. And after waiting less than 28 seconds, they decided that that was a reasonable time for someone to answer their door at 6 in the morning, an hour before sunup.
Bud Cummins represents the Malinowski family, filing a lawsuit that alleges agents failed to properly announce themselves before forcing their way into the home, leading to the wrongful death of Bryan.
They went in the house in the wrong order, and Mr. Malinowski, naturally thinking he and his wife were victim of home invasion, came out of bed, got his hands on a pistol, saw a figure entering his house with a rifle in his hands, and he shot at his feet, and the ATF agent returned fire and killed Mr. Malinowski.
Monday, a federal judge dismissed the constitutional damages claims against the 12 individual ATF agents named in the lawsuit. But Cummins says the ruling was not a decision about whether the raid was legal.
Well, it is not a ruling that the ATF didn't do anything wrong.
Instead, the court found recent U.S. Supreme Court decisions have all but eliminated what's known as a Bivens claim, the legal path that allows people to sue individual federal officers for alleged constitutional violation.
It's something the Supreme Court created probably over 50 years ago, trying to offer a remedy because they said, what good is a constitutional right if you don't have a meaningful remedy when the government violates your rights and injures you?
With the Bivens claims dismissed, the case now shifts to the Federal Tort Claims Act. Cummins says the remaining case is built on facts documented in the Arkansas State Police's post-shooting investigation.
To my knowledge, the ATF has never made any official statement or concession about anything that happened that day.
Cummins says the legal team will now begin discovery and trial preparation, and that an appeal can't be filed for today's ruling until the remaining claims have been resolved, if they choose to go that route. Reporting live here in studio, I'm Madison Gaffner.